Today we're headed to Lake George, New York. This trip was inspired by Paula Pena with a photo of her standing in the lake staring at the Adirondack Mountains. It looks beautiful, it feels serene, and I wanted to experience that. Now this is the first episode I actually shot of the Perfect Pic concept, so you'll see my beard ain't fully grown in and all that. Lake George isn't far from New York, so a couple of friends and family gonna meet me up there, and we're gonna have a good time. Check it out. My route today is New York City to Yonkers, my old stomping grounds, home of the brave. I took an Uber to Grand Central Station, where I'll take the Metro North to the Yonkers station. I bought my train ticket on the MTA app so I don't have to wait on the long lines, and I'm on my way. Just got off the train in Yonkers where I'm gonna meet up with my friend Mo, and then we're gonna drive upstate to Lake George. We made great time on our road trip, but about 2.5 hours in, we got hungry while riding through Saratoga. So we're about like 20 minutes out from Lake George, and Mo was like, yo, we gotta go to this fried chicken spot. What's the name of the spot?
Hattie's, since 1938. Best fried chicken you ever had in your life. Best grits this side of the Mississippi.
And we in New York, in the north. Come on, we're gonna get the best fried chicken this side of the Mississippi. Oh, he said, who fried chicken? Oh.
You wake me up?
Damn, now they closed.
So we did a detour to come to Hattie's, and they closed right now. They open at 5, but we don't really got time to wait for that. So we'll be back maybe Sunday. We thinking about it. But Hattie's, I'll be back. Lake George, here we come. We're gonna get that picture. After our detour, we made it to the lake in no time. I had to put on my sweater though. It's a little cold out here. I don't know how we're gonna get in the lake for this photo, but hopefully my man Mo came through with the model, I think, and hopefully we both about that life. I came all the way up here for the photo. I should have did some more research though, right? Hey, you live and you learn. But look, check it out. All right, so I'm all settled into my place. I went and scouted out the lake. My model hasn't arrived yet, but she's on the way. And I'm about to go have dinner. Family is grilling, and about to go eat some banging food, baby. And banging it was. My Aunt Areli is one of the best cooks I know. Catching up with my cousins and eating her food were one of my favorite things to do. Day 2, we're getting the boat right now, and we're about to go take this picture, but it's so cold outside that I should have probably had a bodysuit. All right, guys, I'm about to get on this boat. I got a bunch of crazy people on it. There was about to be a little party boat. So we headed out onto the lake and enjoyed the views. The kids rode on the water tube on the back of the boat, and it actually got much warmer, which was great. We found a cove with a bunch of other dock boats and decided to drop anchor and hang out there for a while. So listen, guys, we just finished playing some volleyball. Had nobody to document it, but it happened with some cool people from Long Island. And I'm about to take this photo right now. I got Haiti coming off the boat right now. Look at her coming behind me, boom. So, Haiti, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, mama. So we're gonna get you to move up a little bit right here. You see that boat that's right in front of us? We're gonna stare, I want you to stare right at that boat. All right, now poke back at me, look back at me all the way. Yeah, like smile at me.
I gotta get a tiny line from the other picture.
That's fine. Nah. Listen, we're not trying to recreate the other picture. We're just inspired by the other picture, you know? This is beautiful all on its own. And, I can't wait to talk to the person who actually took this picture and try to, relive that moment with them, you know? Hey guys, just finished taking the photo. I'm excited about editing it. I just want to say thank you to Paula Pena for the inspiration. And think big, live large. I'm on a trip to take the perfect pic, and I did it. Hope you enjoyed running around Lake George with me. If you liked the video, leave a comment, press like, share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so now. Go, press the button. Go. And it's been over a month since I started the channel, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all the positive feedback, all the support I've been getting from you guys has been amazing. Every like, every comment, every share, every DM with positive feedback just means so much to me and keeps me going. In fact, I did a poll on Instagram the other day asking where I should go next for a perfect pic. Iceland, Belize, or Thailand. And Thailand won. I'm going to Thailand, guys. I just booked the flight yesterday, and I'll be out there in a couple weeks. If you have any ideas on things I should do, eat, see, leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely consider checking them out for sure. I appreciate everything, and yeah, remember, think big, live large. Peace.